Parikshet.
Today we are gonna draw a puppy in the
Stocking. A Christmas stocking. So since we all have stockings at our home, this puppy has gone inside that stocking. Let's see how it looks. As always, we'll need a black sketch pen, some white paper, and a few colors. That's all that we need.
No, thank you for this. You need that.
Okay, now let's get started. Let's first make the puppy. Okay?
Very difficult.
It's a very easy. Just follow me. It's gonna be a very easy one. In the center, make a Parikshet.
More.
Make a V.
Like a V.
Okay. And then close this V. Okay. Okay. Very good. Now that this is done, we draw two eyes, one here and over here. And see, just make this. Okay. And make this a straight line over here. Okay, then okay,
Like this.
yeah. Okay, the ears of the puppy.
What if the cutest kitten was stuck in a corner?
Done till here, Parikshet?
No.
Very good.
Oh, we're gonna draw the stockings.
You're done till here? Now, we'll draw the stocking. We do it like this. And then this. And a small line.
Is there somebody's socks?
Yes.
Is there somebody's socks?
Yes, must be. Okay.
Did
Okay, I did some mistake. Now let's quickly color it. So we'll need a red color for the stockings, brown color for the face, okay, done till here? Give me the green color. Let's draw the pugs. Okay. This is done, Parikshet. Can I use orange color?
No, not that nice.
I'm done with this drawing of the puppy hidden in a stocking.
Not hidden.
Then peeping out from the stocking.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's. So we are done with this puppy's drawing. Are you done? Yes? So do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub and #KidsFunLearnClub, and you can win some amazing goodies. We are waiting for your drawings, right?
Yes.
Okay, see you in the next video, and do not forget to like and subscribe the channel if you love our videos, and send your message in the comments below for Parikshet if you have any. We'll be waiting for your messages if you're liking the drawings. If you're not liking the drawings, or if you want us to draw something that you want to learn, then tell us in the comments and we will be coming up with that drawing soon. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.